Yeah. What is the meaning of tabulation?
Presenting the data.
Tabulation is the systematic arrangement of the data. Okay. Systematic arrangement of data into rows to columns. Is it clear? So whatever the data we collected, the data we are going to arrange rows into rows and as well as columns. That is called as a tabulation. And what is the definition of tabulation? Tabulation is the process of presenting the data. Is it clear? Tabulation is the process of presenting the data into table format. That is called as a tabulation. And what is the objectives of tabulation? Tabulation, the main objective is, first of all, whatever data we collected, we are going to simplify the data. So whatever data we collected, that raw data is whatever the raw data is there, we are going to arrange, we are going to simplify the data. And after simplifying the data, we are going to compare. Okay, it is facilitated, that tabulation is facilitated to the comparison the data, and it is help to systematical analysis. Okay, whatever the data we arranged into table rows and columns wise, the data will help to statistical analysis purpose. And at the same time, the raw data also, it is going to help to prepare the trends and patterns. It is the objectives of tabulation. In your page number 87, the given simplification of data, okay, and comparison of data, identification of data, facilitate the statistical processing, it reveals pattern and it economic space. So provide the more information. So this is the major objective of tabulation. Is it clear? And what is the elements? Next topic is elements of table. Elements of table means what? Table contains what? Okay, what are the parts are there in the table? So that only we are going to discuss. Generally, table contains, it is brief descriptive. First of all, we generally, when you see the table, yeah, please, somebody is making noise. Don't do that. Okay. So see, what are the elements of table? It is page number 88 is there. If you have the material, you can check it. First of all, the table heading we are going to give. Okay. Avinash.
Yes, sir.
Android, some person is making noise. Android blue ray data.
Sir, I am in class, sir. I am only home, alone only here, room in my room.
Right. So what is the elements of table? Elements consist what? That only elements of table. Generally, whenever you see that any table, generally we are going to observe the table descriptive, means the table what it is indicates. Okay. And next one is the headings. What is the headings? What the table includes? What are the rows? What are the columns? And what is the footnotes? And under the table there is what is the source of that? That all are we are going to observe. So whatever the parts included in that particular table, that is called as a elements of table. So generally, if you say generally every table, for example, I will draw the one table. This is the table. Is it clear? So this type, some we are going to write. This type we are going to write. So whatever the table title we are going to write here. Okay. Next one is the, sorry, title and head. It is called as a title and head. Next one is the, yeah. Again, sub points also there. Left side and right side. Whatever this left side is there, that is called as a stub headings. Stub headings. So like whatever you are going to write, for example, you can, if you take the any monthly or weekly day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. And next one is the, these are the captions. And if it is subdivided subcaptions also we are going to give. Okay, so it means what? Elements of table means simply the table contains what are the parts are contained. The table consists what? Okay, that is called as a table contents. And next one is the rules of tabulation. What is the rules for the preparation of tabulation? First of all, the tabulation, when you are preparing the tabulations, use a clear titles. Use the clear titles. Next one is the organize the data chronological order. Is it clear? So whatever the data we are used, that should be some order we have to be follow, and use simple and uniform formatting. Is it clear? So when you are preparing the tables, use simple and uniform formatting and provide the footnotes for clarity. So whatever the table data you taken, wherever you taken, that related source also you have to mention. Is it clear? So that is the rules for the preparation of tabulation. And avoid too many rows and columns in one table. Maximum whatever you require, that only you can give. But if you take that more, it is going to be difficult. So whatever you required, okay, whatever you required, that only you have to take. Right. So these are the basic rules for the preparation of tabulations. Next, types of tabulations. See, types of tabulation means what? What is the tabulation? Tabulation means what? We table be prepared into rows into columns. So that is called as a tabulation. But here we are talking about the types of tabulations. Tabulations generally we classified into 4 categories. Is it clear? So that is simple tables and complex tables and general purpose tables and special purpose tables. So simple table means what? Simple table means here whatever we required, whatever the data is there, this simple table consists only either 2 rows or 2 columns. So simply the data is we are going to classify it into either rows wise or either column wise. That is called as a simple table. And complex table means what? The complex tables, rows and columns, we are going to use more than 2. Is it clear? So rows and columns we are going to use more than 2 variables. So that is called as a complex table. General purpose table means what? As per our requirement, the broader data we are going to use like census data. And special purpose tables means what? According to your requirement, special tables you are going to prepare. So that is called as a special type tabulations. Is it clear? Right. So these are the types of tables. In your material, it's already mentioned in page number 91, simple and complex tables and general and special purpose tables. Already given page number 91. Go through once. Is it clear? Next. What is the what is the limitation of preparation in table? Limitation means what? What is the challenges are there in the preparation of table? So it cannot show the detailed relationships. First of all, is it clear? Table should not disclose all the things whatever we prepared. So many of the people users, they are not able to understand 100%. First of all, that is the limitation. And not visually appealing. Table includes only figures and facts. Is it clear? But they are not able to visualize they are not, it is not visually appearing, and maybe it is over eliminating into too complex. So maybe they are going to expect more from these tables. So that is also problem. So this is the unit 4 from black to topic is what? Preparation of tabulation. What we discussed here in this chapter, we discussed about the meaning and definition. Meaning means what? Tabulation is the systematic arrangement of data into rows and columns wise. And definition is what? tabulation is the process of presenting data in a table. So that is called as a tabulation. And objectives of tabulation means what? That simplify the complex data. Main purpose is whatever the raw material we collected, that all the raw material we are not going to disclose same way. We simplifying the data, we classifying the data, uh, and whatever important is there, that only we are going to present and facilitate to comparison. Last year table is what, present table is what, last year figures are what, present figures are what. So this tabulation will help to compare the previous data also. And this tabulation mainly help to preparation of the statistical analysis. Is it clear? So it is going to be facilitate to comparison of trends and patterns of the past data to present data. So these are the objectives. Elements already I told. So elements means what? In table, what are the parts are included? That is called as the elements of table. Like headings, captions, subheadings, footnotes, source. These all are included in table. See, whenever you read the newspaper, any business paper, when they are presenting some numerical data in table format, in the table format also they are going to show what is the heading of that, what is the heading of the table, what figures they presented, and the presented figures from where they taken, that all are they are going to be shown in the table. Rules already I told that. Must it that tabulation use of clear and conscious title, organizing data logical way, okay, use the simple and uniform formatting, provide the footnotes claritily, avoid the too many rows and columns. These are the rules. So types of tabulation: simple tables, complex tables, and general purpose tables, special purpose tables. So limitations also already know, we know that. Next one is the diagrammatic presentation of the data. This is the 5th unit for you. Is it clear? Do you have materials?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go to unit number 5. There is some problematic part. Graph presentations also there. I will explain if you require. Okay. Diagrammatic presentation of data means what? Whatever data we have. Is it clear? That data we are going to show in the pictures. We are going to present the data in diagram mode. The diagrams also we classified into different categories according to our requirement and according to our situation, according to our data. We are going to use the different kind of diagrams. Is it clear? Now diagrams makes the, what is the purpose of the prepare a presentation of data in diagram mode? It's simple. Diagrams makes the data visually appealing and easy to interpret and easy to understand purpose. So see, instead of reading something, if you see in the diagram, automatically you're able to understand. For example, I will give the one example. See, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. See, this diagram talks about the two results. That is, okay, this is the female bar and this is the male bar. When you see these bars, which one is the highest?
Male.
X.
No, this is the male, this diagram.
Male.
Okay. So it means what? Compare with females, males are high scorer. So whatever irrelevant of the figures, when you see the diagram, you are able to understand. So diagrammatic presentation also, it will help to understand easily by the users. Any data you can understand that. Okay. So that is the diagrammatic presentation. And significance of diagrams. See, significance of diagrams means what? Features of diagrams. It is nothing but a diagrams can be attractive more. Okay, it is going to be convincing also. And next one is the diagrams make the data simple and intelligible. Diagrams facilitate the comparison. Already we discussed that. And diagrams have the memorizing effect. When you see the diagram, automatically you said male percentage, male parts percentage are more than the female percentage, like that. Diagrams save the time and labor. Okay, diagrams are more informative. It will be give the more information. And what is the general rules for the constructing of diagrams? So constructing of diagrams means what? Preparation of diagrams. So it is simple. First of all, whatever you are preparing, whatever diagram you are preparing, whatever diagram you are making, you give the clear title and labels relating to that particular diagram. That is the first basic rule. Okay. So now I given, this is the percentage of uh, pass candidates in B Cup in 2024. 75 members, 25 members. It means what? So male candidates 75% passed in the 2024. Female candidates passed in the 25%. Like that, it is going to be show that. And next one is the ensure proper scaling. Proper scaling means what? So whatever the scaling you are using for the preparation of diagram, so it should be equal for the all. Okay, you have to ensure the proper scaling for before making the diagrams. Next, avoid culture and maintaining of simplicity. So you should not give the more data and more diagrams. Whatever the data is there, that relevant data diagram only you can present in the one diagram. Okay, not include the other also. And choose the right type of diagram. See, based on your data, which diagram is suitable for you, that diagram only you can give me. Okay, so that is choosing of proper diagram also very important. Next, types of diagrams. This is very important and maximum in examination from here only.
Which questions are important?
Sorry,
Which questions are important you are saying?
you listen first.
Okay.
Types of diagrams, this is the important question, and you have to learn the practically also. Okay, from here they are going to ask practically or theoretically also from this topic only. Types of diagrams. See, when I'm talking, you just listen and you can note down yourself.
Okay.
Okay, don't interrupt the class.
Okay.
Right. So types of diagrams. See, diagrams generally we classified into different categories. So here I mentioned one-dimensional diagram, two or three-dimensional diagrams, pictograms, cartograms. What is the one-dimensional diagram? Okay, what is the meaning of one-dimensional diagram? So one-dimensional diagram means what? Only for the one particular year or one particular area, different types of data we are going to show. For example, open your page number 100. Actually, I already prepared some diagrams to show you, but I'm not able to share my PPT. Okay, did you open that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See that illustration number 1. See illustration number 1. Year they given, sales they given. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Year they given,
Yes, sir.
sales also they given. So in year they showed that 20,000 sales. Am I correct? And in 2018, 15,000 sales, and in 2009, 30,000 sales. It means what? Every year only one variable only there. So that variable only we are going to see that. So it is called as a one simple bar diagram. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So simple bar diagram talks about the one variable only. For one variable only we are going to show. So that is called as a simple bar diagram. The simple bar diagram, after that, these bar diagrams actually first one I told about the bar diagram. The bar diagram also we classified into 5. The bar diagrams also we classified into different categories. That is simple bar diagram, multiple bar diagram, percentile bar diagram. Okay.
Deviation bar diagram.
Yeah. నాకు షేర్ ఆప్షన్ వస్తలేదు పీపీటీ మనకి నిన్న నుంచి చెప్తున్నాను చూడు ఒకసారి ఇదే కెమెరా అన్నే కెమెరా నాది సపరేట్ ఉంటుంది అది కాలేదు డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో వస్తుందా ఇప్పుడు నాకు షేరింగ్ ఇదే కదా నాది పార్టిసిపేట్ ఏం కదరా మోర్ ఆప్షన్ అది కూర్చో పడుకో రైట్ Yeah, simple bar diagram. Yeah, first one is the simple bar diagram. Simple bar diagram talks about the only one variable. That variable only we are going to show as a in diagram. And next one is the subdivided bar diagram. See page number 101, subdivided diagrams means in one bar diagram we are going to show the different variables. Is it clear? In one bar diagram, for example, whatever this bar diagram is there. So simple bar diagram means what? This is only one bar diagram we are going to show. In subdivided means what? In this bar diagram we are going to divide into parts. So this is 75% is the population, 30 members of the male candidates and 45% is the female candidates. Within the bar again we are going to classify it into different categories. Is it clear? That is the sub bar diagrams. See in page number 101, if you observe that diagram, how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. Arts, commerce, science. 3 variables. Did you observe that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. It
Yes,
means
sir.
what? Totally, actually they taken 2010 to 11. But in 2011 to 10 to 11, in the year of that, arts they taken 100 members, commerce they taken 350 members, science they taken 750. Finally 750 members they showed. So that is means what? Subdivided bar diagrams. Next one is multiple bar diagram. See page number, see that 1 or 2. So at a time we are going to show that immediately followed by the another variable. So this is the one variable 1 2. So here 2010 males and females. Okay, and 2010 sales and expenses. So in 1 year we are going to show the different variables, that is multiple bar diagrams. If you observe that page number 1 or 2, they given year wise and subject wise. Is it clear? That is called as a multiple bar diagrams. Next one is the percentage bar diagram. Percentage bar diagrams, the diagrams shows in percentage mode only. Whatever the total variable is there, that is equals to 100, and remaining parts we are going to classify it into percentage wise. So that is percentage. Did you get some? And deviation bar diagrams. Deviation bar diagrams talks about the difference of the two variables. Is it clear? So that is deviation bar diagrams. So like that bar diagrams we are going to prepare. Next one is, yeah. Yeah, 2-dimension, 3-dimension diagrams also over. Same multiple bar diagrams is nothing but a 2-dimension and 3 dimensions. Next one is the very important diagram is the pie chart. Do you know pie chart?
Pie chart means
Yeah.
circle diagram it will come, sir.
Yes,
Circle diagram.
simply instead of showing that bars, we are going to show in the circle. Is it clear? That circle consists the 360 degrees. Whatever the total value of the variables are there, that we are going to convert it into degrees. So that is only pie
Okay.
diagram. Okay.
Pie
Can you
diagram.
open page number 109?
Problem is there, sir.
Yeah, that only I am going to explain.
Okay.
See, page number 11, page number 109, what they given? They given food, family X. Actually, two families they given. They given food, family X and family Y. For both the families, they given expenditure of items. That is, clothing is there, food is there, rent is there, recreation is there, miscellaneous is there. Is it clear? So whatever the data is there, that we are going to show in the pie diagram mode. In circle we are going to show. So generally, first of all, this entire first of all, when you are showing the any data in pie diagram mode, you have to do one thing. First of all, you take the individual expenditure. That individual expenditure, what is the proportionate of the total expenditure? For example, family X you can take. What is the total expenditure? Food 45, 20, 65 plus 85 plus 95 plus 500. Am I correct? Respond someone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it means what? Total expenditure, we know. Individual expenditure also we know. We have to find out the percentage proportionate of individual expenditure into total expenditure. For example, first one you check that 45 is the food expenditure, that is total in the total expenditure is 100. 45 divided by 100 into, we are converted into degrees to show as a pie diagram. We multiplied into 360 degrees. 360 why we taken? Generally, any pie chart, this is the 180 degrees. Am I correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This pie chart consists the 360 degrees generally. From 0 to here, okay, up to here 90 degrees. From here 180 degrees. Here 270 degrees. And here again 360 degrees. So how we are going to show that? Simply that 45 is there. 45 is the expenditure divided by 100 is the our total expenditure. In total expenditure, food proportionate is 45%. That we are going to convert it into 360 degrees. This one. Okay. What is the total? What is the calculation? Hello.
45 divided by 100 into 360.
Yeah, 160 degrees, 162 degrees are there. 160 means what? Already here 90. Already we know. Okay. 160 means maximum here 170. So up to here, from here to here. So this proportion is food.
160.
Yeah, 160 degrees. This is the food. Am I correct?
160.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Next one is what? Clothing.
Clothing.
Clothing is 20 out of 100 expenditure. 20 rupees is the clothing. So that is percentage how much? 20 divided by 100 into 360 degrees. So
Is equal
360.
to 72.
72.
Yeah, 72. Again 72 only. From here you have to take 0. From already here how much? 162 over 162 plus 70 means how much?
162 plus 72.
232.
230.
232.
232 means what? One after 180 here.
270.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
here is the 232. So up to here, this is enter. This is the relating to the
Clothing. 72%.
yes. What is the percentage of this one?
72.
160 plus 72 is the
72.
clothing. And next one is what?
Rent.
Again rent. Same 232, 72, 4, 0,
Same will come.
So 304 means what? Here, up to here. So this is the part remaining 72 percentage.
Yeah.
And remaining last one is what?
Recruit.
Automatically 304.
Recruit.
Yes. See, already 162 is over here. 162 to 70, 72
Okay.
here. 72 to 76 again here. Remaining, this is the, after this is what? 304. Okay. And extending item is there. Remaining how much? 36 percentage. 36 percentage means what? 304 to 36. 336. 336 degrees means what? Up to here. Okay. Last one remaining is the 5%. This one. Like
Sir,
that. Like that. That
340.
person. Yes. Last one is miscellaneous 5 is there now expenditure.
Yes, sir.
So that only we have
Yes,
shown
sir.
that. That is the remaining percentage. For individual item wise, you have to show in the graph. Is it clear? You have to show in the pie diagram. Okay. So this is the preparation of pie diagrams. So you go through once. Okay. Next one.
Sir, this problem you have explained, no? For
Yeah.
every problem, we have to draw a diagram and
Yes, exactly. You go through that your material. Okay.
means backside they have given like table and note the radius of the circles are
They
in the
will
square roots.
they will give the tabulation format. They will give table. You have to convert it into diagrams.
Okay.
Okay. Last topic is
For
what?
each. Okay.
In last topic is what? In in diagram presentation of data, picture diagram presentation, pictograms.
Pictogram last.
Yeah, diagrammatic presentation. Last topic is pictograms. See, pictograms and cartograms, two topics are different. Okay. Pictograms means what? Instead of showing diagrams, pictures we are going to show. See, page number 112. 112. You open that. $112. Did you open that?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
See, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 is
14,
there. Okay.
2015,
Yeah.
2016.
Yeah, 2012, there is
3.
3 cars.
3 cars.
3 cars.
It indicates what? It means in 2012, 3 cars. In 2013, 4 cars. So when you see the year, automatically which year is more cars?
2016.
2016.
That
Yeah.
2016.
So based on your based on that picture, you concluded here number of pictures are more, so that more production is there in the 2016. Like that, we are going to present. Cartograms means what? See, cartograms means it is nothing but a map diagrams. Is it clear? The carto diagrams talks about the presentation of data in the geographical base. In geographically, we are going to present the data. So cartogram or map diagrams used to present the data on geographical basis. That is called as a carto diagrams. Yes. Yeah. So these are the types of data. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, graphic presentation. And what is the exam? What is the choice of suitable diagram? How we are going to choose the diagrams? It is depends on the type and volume of data. Okay.
Sir, page number
117.
Yes.
170.
Choice
112.
of choice of suitable diagram 112.
Huh?
We are in
112.
fifth unit only. I am talking 5th unit only.
Choice of a suitable diagram.
Yeah. How you are going to choose the diagram? Based on your data, whatever data is available. So based on that data, you are going to choose the diagram. If they mention particular diagram, you have to draw the diagram. Otherwise, you can, based on your data, you can choose. Okay. And it must and should be audience understanding context. You have to look. Is it clear?
Okay. Sir,
Yes.
in a pie diagram, one problem is there now. How to multiply into 360 degrees?
Yes. Just simple remember one thing only. Hello.
Yes, sir.
If they given percentage 100%, you have to convert it into 360 degrees. If they given
Okay.
360 degrees, you can convert it into 100 degrees. Whatever
Okay.
individual variable is there, that to divide it by 100, you will get the 360. If they given 360 degrees, then you can convert it into 100%.
Okay.
Individual degree divided by 360 degrees and into 100, you will get.
Okay.
I'll give the one example.
Okay.
Open that pie diagram. Food is there. Food cost is food expenditure is 45. Okay.
45.
Total expenditure is equal to how much? 100. Now
100.
this we are going to convert it into 360. Simple. 45 divided by 100 into 360. How much? 180. How much?
162.
162.
Okay. For example, in the problem, they given 162 only. Okay. That time, if they given instead of this, they given 162 and this is total is 100, 360. That time 162 divided by 360 into 100. Do it.
$45.
Did you get same or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simple. Here, if they given 360 degrees in the pie diagram mode, you can convert it into percentage. If they given 100%, if they given total percentages, you can convert it into 360 degrees. So whatever they will give, we can do it. Okay. But that much changes not there. Just whatever text material is there in your textbook, go through like that.
Okay.
right? Yeah. Now
Yes,
graphic
sir.
presentation of the data.
Unit 6.
Yes. See, generally, graphic presentation of the data. What is the difference between diagrams and graphs? Can anyone? Yeah, I will tell you. Diagrams talks about the generally diagrams. It is always going to be similar and used for the broad data presentation. Remember that. And graphs are more details used for the in-depth analysis purpose. Graphs we are going to use. Is it clear?
Graphs.
That is the difference between the graphs and bars. And what utility a construction of the graphs, utility of graphs presentation. Utility means what? Where we are going to use we are going to show the trends, we are going to show the relationships. Okay, male and female relationship trend 2010 to 2020, how it is. Okay, increasing trend or decreasing trend. Trend means what? It is the movement. Okay, and useful of time series and frequency data we are going to use. Okay, so generally if you see the stock market, you are going to observe that movement. And what is the general rules for the graphic presentation? See, graphic presentation or any preparation of bar diagrams, first rule is choose the right scale. Okay, and give the title. Structural framework also very important. Okay, false baseline also very important. False baseline means what? Can anyone? Hello? Respond.
Scale must start with 0.
Generally, scales always it is going to be start with 0. Am I correct?
0.
So, for example, this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. See, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017 data is there. From 2000 units, 3000 units. Okay. And 3,500 units, 3,800 units. From 0 to 2000, nothing is there. Is it clear? 2000 to up to 0 to 2000, nothing is there. So in this scale, I am going to cut something. From 0 to 2000, this cutting space, I am assuming that is up to 1000. Okay, I remove that space. Otherwise, 100, 50, 100, 200, like that we have to move. So false baseline, we are going to cut whatever we doesn't require. From here, 1000 I started. Next 2000. Okay. Next 3000. Next 3500. So here automatically 2000. Next one is the 3000. Next one is the 3500. So like that 3800. So this, whenever I disconnecting that point, false baseline, it is the principle of graph. Vertical scale must be start with 0. We cannot defeat the given the variable effectively. When the fluctuations are maximum, starting value are very distinct from 0. The point of origin, in order to magnify the scale on the vertical scale for the effective description. See, page number 120, you can open.
120.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
page number 120. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here one example given. If the values are given from 1500, 15,000, 17,000, 20,000, 23,000, and 25,000, they can effectively show the graph paper by using the false baseline, omitting the value from 0 to 15,000. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
omitting. Here what I did, 0 to 1,000 I removed. Okay. So that is the
Yes, sir.
false baseline. What are the types of graphs? What is the types of graphs? Graphs of time series are histograms, point number 1. Okay. And graphs of two or more variables, sorry, graphs of time series of histograms. Second one is the
Graph of two or more variables.
yeah, no, that is the part of first one only. Second one
Graphs
is the
of frequency distribution.
very good. Frequency distribution. Let us discuss
Graphs
one by one. Graphs of time series or
or
histograms.
histograms.
So in that case, first one, graphs one variable horizontal line. Open that. One variable horizontal line means what? Whatever the data is there, we are going to draw the only single line. Is it clear? That is one variable horizontal line. So 120, 120 to 135. Okay, 135 to 130, 138. So like the movement only we taken. Is it clear? Page number 122. Hello?
Graphs of two or more
Yes, sir.
variables.
Yeah,
122 page number.
yes.
Yeah.
Illustration 1.
Yeah, illustration 1. You open that, you just see the diagram. Our time is over. Quick, I have next class.
Yes, sir.
Next to graphs, two more variables. See, two more variables means what? Given here. Yes, please. See, two more variables. That whatever number of variables are there, n number of graph lines also we are going to draw it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is two more variables. Yeah, you go through once. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
You go
Yes,
through
sir.
that.
Yes,
That
sir.
bars are very simple. You go through once. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the story. That bars are very easy. This is the story of who is that making noise?
Graphs namely to broad series or history, graphs of frequency distribution.
Right. So this is the story about the graphic presentation of the data. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I log out?
Yes,
One
sir.
doubt is there, sir. In a graph of one.
What happened?
Nothing, sir. Means getting confused in the graph or the diagram, so that's it.
Sir, one doubt on
Yeah,
page
tell
number
me.
110, illustration 12, that cubic root, sir.
Where is? Yeah.
Page
Cubic
number
root.
10.
For me also, sir.
See that instead of circle diagrams, we are going to show the diagrams, squares and what is that? Triangles. Okay. Squares and rectangles.
Okay.
Yeah. Simple. That is not required that much. That cubic diagrams not required. This is purely relating to the mathematical purpose.
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you send a PDF, sir? Computer.
How can I send that?
Sir, in chat bag, you may share that.
Sorry.
Sir, in chat box you can send, sir, from block 1 to block 2.
Okay, after completion of these online classes, I will send all.
And
Yeah.
important questions also and problems also, sir.
See here, this syllabus is very easy. First, you refer that.
Okay.
Okay, you
Ah,
always instead of listening the classes, you are focusing on important question, important question, important question. Whatever is there, it is there in the high school level also.
okay.
Okay, you don't worry.
Okay.
Right.
Very easy
Thank
subject,
you,
no, sir,
sir.
this one.
Very easy subject if you concentrate.
Okay.
If you do not concentrate, it is very difficult subject also.
No, sir. I will concentrate, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we
Okay.
have the next day also class, sir.
Sorry.
Only
Next
next
Sunday.
Saturday.
Next Saturday
Already you have schedule.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
24th,
Yeah.
25th.
Yeah.
Next
When you
Sunday
are
it is
Saturday and
not.
Sunday, 2 days are there.
when you are practicing problematic part, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. But don't ask me important questions. Send me PDF messages. Send me material. Already good textbook is there with you all. Okay.
Okay,
You
sir.
Yes,
when you are
sir. Yes, sir.
practicing when you
If any
practicing,
doubts are there, means we'll ask you, sir.
you can. Already I
And
given the
problems
link.
also, sir. Problems also some.
Yes, that's what I'm telling you. You first you start practice, then you can send. You can ask the questions. That's
uh,
Thank you, sir.
right. Right.
Thank you,
Right.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Is it clear or not today class?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is clear.
Right.
And
Right.
okay.
Yeah. Tell me.
Uh, things are some problems, sir. You in board. I'm getting some doubts, sir. Diagrams the topic is there. No simple bar,
Okay.
multiple.
We'll discuss. Okay.
Uh, okay. In block 1, unit 3 also problems are there, sir, I think. Okay, sir.